back to fucking square one. I gotta try to fucking clean myself up and shit, and have to take my medicine. I'm waiting on that shit to fucking kick in. I'm not taking nothing to make me sleepy though, just for pain, cause I kind of want to stay up. I gotta take a shower, but I'm gonna do that after this shit kick in. I need a haircut too. Ooh, ooh, ooh. See if you have any questions. I mean, just let me know. Doesn't really matter what it is. For something I can't answer, I'll ask my doctor. That's why he's here. Yeah, I've been looking at the back of my throat too, and first it was like all white scab shit, and then now it's turning like red and black. It looks nasty. You ever like, I don't want to relate it to food, do I? Fuck it. So, you know the cheese, like if you put it on top of something and you bake it, or like use the fucking torch and roast it, or even like meringue or something. So it's like white or one color, a light color, and then you start to roast it or torch it or whatever the fuck, and it turns like black and it starts to bubble up, or like the golden brown. Looks like that back there. Yeah, it's interesting. Well, I took pictures of everything. I've been taking pictures every day. So I think once I'm able to like finally do shit with my mouth, giddy. Once I'm able to do shit, I'll probably make a video and post all of them pictures together so you can see progress, like all at once, and not once every single day. I don't know. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it, but I can't really make sense of it right now. But yeah. My applesauce. It's my medicine has started working. As we're trying to get this shit over with. These things is good too. This one is apples, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and blueberries for 6+ months for kids 6 months and older. I mean, it has some other flavors. It's my first time having this one, so hopefully it don't taste like shit. Yeah, that's not good. yeah, this one don't taste good. Don't get this one. It's gonna take me a minute to eat. So I was out and I had something I wanted to do, but I started feeling crazy and shit, so I came back home, looked at the clock, and saw that I was 30 minutes past the time I was supposed to take my medicine. Just 30 minutes past. And just like the other day, took my shit late, and everything just got fucked up again. Now I can fucking barely talk. Like, all that shit hurt. I had just got some fucking food. I got this banana puree shit that I was gonna eat, and like, it's good, but as I'm eating it, it starts hurting more and more and more. Like, every bite, so I'm like, I can't fucking eat this shit no more. Yeah, that's when I finally looked at the clock and I'm like, oh, it's because I'm late taking this fucking medicine. So now I just took the medicine, and I'm just waiting on shit to kick in. I could just take the other shit. I haven't taken some since last night because it just makes me go to sleep. But that's what I'm about to do because this shit hurt too fucking bad. Fuck, man. Yeah. Good night. Then that food looked good as fuck too, right? It was fucking a banana puree, macadamia nut butter. So it's like honey, macadamia nuts, some other shit, all mixed up. And then it was macadamia nut and chocolate. Everything, all the nuts are ground up fine though. And then my dumb ass got whole macadamia nuts put in it. And as soon as I bite down on shit, like, my fucking teeth, cause you know I got my fucking power chain on my teeth, so all my shits hurt. Like, usually it'd just be the front, so I could eat with the back, but no, all them shits hurt. And as soon as I bit down, that shit almost killed my ass. So yeah, it's a struggle this past fucking hour, and I don't know, I'm probably getting fucking vertigo or something, cause like shit been spinning, feeling disoriented, all that shit. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this medicine, knock out for a little while.